Hi YouTube, this is Madonna Rogers. Um, Thank you for watching this video on my new channel called Project Power. I wanted to show a software that I have been using to trade, and it's called the SBA, which stands for Star Bar Arrow. It's a really neat way of knowing where the market is going so that you can get in the market and make profits and do it, rather painlessly. My mentor always says, you want to learn how to trade or you want to make money, you know. So here's a quick way or an easy way to learn how to trade, make money, and feel pretty good in the process. It's not so painful as it could be when learning how to trade other methods. So here is gold, XAU, USD, and I took this trade at about this point here. And I quickly exited. When I got in the trade, I used the 5-minute time frame. And what I did, as my mentor showed, is to make sure everything lines up. So we have the bar here, which is, it shows a resistance line, right? Shows the resistance line, and then we have the star and we have the arrow. So it shows that now the market is going to turn and start going in the downward direction. As I was watching this trade set up, what I also looked for is the SBA heartbeat, which comes a part of the software. It's just a indicator. But anyway, the heartbeat, it was trending underneath the -7 line. So that is also a good indication that the trend is continuing to go downwards. And at the time that I chose to trade this, the Rubik's Cube, as he called it, or the GG boxes, I'm not sure what that stands for, but they were all black from the 1 minute to the 4 hour. All of this was black right here. It's just showing 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. But at the time that I took this particular trade, everything was black, the 5-minute as well as the 1 minute. So he says that if you are going to trade using that method, you want to have at least 4 to 5 block boxes that are solid in the color of the direction that you're going in. Gold will be a buy, black is a sell. So anyway, I quickly jumped in the trade, and it was a sniper entry, as I would call it, because the trade went -5 pips, and then it quickly shot up in a positive direction, and it got all the way up to 23 pips. And I tried to close out at that time because my goal is 20 pips and dip, pretty much. So I closed out at 18 because it moved so quickly. I continued to watch the charts, and I saw that there was plenty of more room for me to have made more money, but why be greedy, especially when you're learning? So if I were to stay in, I would have made, till the time that there was a pullback, I would have made about another 21 pips, or no, 209 pips. Ooh, 209 pips in the market. I think that is accurate. And there was a pullback. So the pullback started when the scissors appeared. If I wanted to have jumped out, whether it was here or down here, when I would have caught more pips, I could have exited the trade and jumped in the opposite direction for a buy. And if I wanted to do the buy, and here's how I know that it went in the buying direction, because the arrow with the star going to the upside, we have the scissors that indicates a pullback. And also, I'm sure the GG bars up here would have changed colors as well. There's no way for me to know now because the time has passed. well, obviously they're all four solid black and two are gold under the daytime frame. So we're at the hour is black, on up to the 15-minute is black, and then the 5-minute and the 1-minute is gold. So this would be a quick way to make some, to catch some good pips. If I had caught it at the reversal up until now, I could have caught about 105 pips at this point in time. So I'm really just testing out the software with gold. It's pretty proven for me trading other pairs. But what I mean by testing it out is because gold is an indices, and it moves really, really quickly. And my account is really, really small. And right now I'm building up my account without having to do a deposit. So, I definitely don't want to over leverage. When I did take the trade, I traded at a 1 cent lot, and I made a couple dollars, about $2, within 2 or 3 minutes. So that was pretty good for me, and it helps to build up my trading muscle and my confidence with trading this particular indice. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. I have plenty more content that I do want to share. See you next time.